So today I'm going to be exploring the new update. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first thing first, the forest. Yes. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna go into the kingdom. Well, actually, I'm gonna call it base. Okay, so next we have this protective wall. Oh, and you can just aim. Huh? But of course, you can't aim if you can't see. Yes, it's working. Okay, but next is this part of the same thing. Well, yeah, same thing here. There's a little bit of destruction, and there's snowballs here. Big ones. And they changed this into ice. Yes, they did. And yeah, wait. Let me see if the little snowman is still there. No, he's not there anymore. There used to be the snowman from last update, and it's not there anymore. But yeah, let's get into ice. See how they changed that. Okay, nice. I haven't seen anything changing yet, but let's see. Let's take a good view. And I see what they added. They added this here and there. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, let's go to the next thing. And they added a bridge. Yo. Okay, time to see the big finale. Oh, no. What the Okay. Are you? You know what? I'm just gonna take this route. Okay. So I think this is a kingdom, but just, pushed into the ice. Wait. Oh my god. Wait. What I'm trying to do is... No! I guess it's impossible, but yeah, let's get into into a city. So yeah. There we go. Okay. First thing that I see is this maze. What? Whatever. Let's get inside. I know the route to this, so this isn't gonna take long. First of all, I'm gonna check out the snowman, and then I'm gonna get out. By the way, the players that are not inside can see you, and the players that are inside can see you. But yeah, let's get out of here. But there's one thing. Why do I feel like you're smaller now? But there's also this glitch that you can just go like this. Almost there. Okay. There. But yeah, guys, I think we have to put this video into an end. Okay, guys, bye.